Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for random variable. Kindly refers to the question, continuous random variable x has a density probability function given by fx. So kindly illustrate the situation in a real number line. So here we have 0 followed by 1, then we have 4. 0, 1 we have the function ax. 1, 4 we have the function a over 3 multiplied with 4 minus x. Otherwise we have the function 0. Kindly refers to a. Find the constant value of a. As we all know, it is a continuous random variable x. So it means that the summation which is equals to 1. So in here, we have 0 until 1 for the function ax respect to x. Plus, integrate, we have a over 3, 4 minus x respect to x for the domain 1, 4, which is equals to 1. Kindly integrate the situation a x squared over 2 for the limit 1, 0 plus a over 3 bracket 4x minus x squared over 2. We have 4, 1, which is equals to 1. Kindly substitute the situation. So here we will have a over 2 minus 0 plus we have a over 3 bracket substitute 4, we will have 16 minus 8 where we have 8 minus substitute 1, we will have 4 minus 1 over 2, where we will have 7 over 2, which is equals to 1. Continue. A over 2 plus, where we have the situation, 8 minus 7 over 2, where we have a over 3 multiplied with 9 over 2, which is equals to 1. So in here we have a over 2 plus with 9a over 6, which is equals to 1. So kindly simplify the situation. A over 2 plus with 3a over 2, which is equals to 1. So here we will have 4a, which is equals to 2, a, which is equals to 1 over 2. Kindly substitute the a equals to 1 over 2 into the real number line. Next, find the ex and also the variance bracket 2 minus 3x. So it means that we are going to find ex equals to integrate. We have the x multiply with the fx respect to x from the domain negative infinity until infinity. So integrate where we have 0 until 1. We have x squared over 2 respect to x. Plus integrate, we have the situation 4x minus x squared over 6 respect to x for the domain 1 until 4. Continue. Kindly integrate the situation where we have x to the power 3 over 3. So here we have 1 over 6 with the domain 1, 0. Plus, continue, we have 1 over 6 bracket 2x squared minus x to the power 3 over 3 with the domain 4, 1. Kindly substitute, we have 1 over 6 bracket 1 minus 0. Plus, we have 1 over 6 bracket, if we substitute 4, and we will have 32 over 3. If we substitute 1, and we will have 5 over 3. So kindly simplify the situation. We have 1 over 6 plus with 1 over 6 bracket. So here we will have 9. Continue. 1 over 6 plus we have 9 over 6, which is equals to 10 over 6. If we simplify, we will have 5 over 3 for the ex, which is equals to 5 over 3. Continue. Next is to find the ex squared, which is equals to integrate, we have x squared multiplied with the fx, and then with respect to x, negative infinity until infinity. So continue, ex squared, which is equals to integrate, we have 0 until 1, we have x to the power of 3 over 2 respect to x, plus integrate, we have 4x squared minus x to the power of 3 over 6 respect to x, 1, 4. Kindly integrate the situation. So we will have x to the power 4 over 1 over 8, 1, 0. Plus, continue, we have 4x to the power of 3 over 3 multiplied with the 6, minus x to the power 4 over 4 multiplied with the 6. Limit 4, 1. Continue, where we have 1 over 8 plus the situation. Kindly factor out the 6. So where we will have 4x to the power 3 over 3 minus x to the power 4 over 4. 4, 1. So we will have 1 over 8 plus 1 over 6 bracket. If we substitute 4, and we will have 64 over 3. If we substitute 1, and we will have 13 over 12. So kindly simplify the situation, and we will have ex squared, which is equals to 7 over 2. Kindly refers to b. We already find the ex, which is 5 over 3. Next is to find the variance, where we will have 7 over 2 minus 5 over 3 bracket squared. So finally, the variance, which is equals to 13 over 18. Next, continue. We have the variance bracket 2 minus 3x. By refers to the properties, we have variance 2 plus we have variance negative 3x. So as we all know, variance 2 we will have 0. Then for this part, we will have 9 because of negative 3 squared. Variance x. Kindly substitute. So we will have 9 multiplied with 13 over 18. So finally, we will have 13 over 2. Kindly refers to C, where we have the probability that x minus 5 over 3 less than 1 over 2. Simplify the situation. Probability that x less than 1 over 2 plus with the 5 over 3, and we will have probability that x is less than 13 over 6. Refers to the calculator 2.167, which means that around this part. So question asks us to find the probability set less than 13 over 6. So my suggestion is we have 1 minus integrate the situation, start from 13 over 6 until 4 for the function, 4 minus x over 6 respect to x. So 1 minus, where we have 1 over 6, integrate 4 minus x bracket squared over negative 2. We have the limit 4, 13 over 6. Continue, 1 plus 1 over 12 bracket, if we substitute 4, and we will have 0. Minus, if we substitute 13 over 6, and we will have 4 minus 13 over 6, which is 11 over 6. Then square the situation, so we will have 121 over 36. So 1 minus, we have 121 over 432. Finally, the probability is that x less than 13 over 6, which is equals to 311 over 432. So that is the probability x less than 13 over 6. Next is to find the median. First, what we have to do is to test the situation. Where is the location for 0.5? So meaning that we have fm equals to 0.5. So number 1 is to test. Integrate, start from 0 until 1 for the function x over 2 respect to x. So in here we have x to the power of 2 over 4. For the limit, we have 1, 0. So in here, if we substitute the 1, and we will have 1 over 4 minus with the 0. So the final answer will be 0.25, which is less than 0.5. So means that the location wasn't in here. And automatically we know that it is in the second part. So kindly focus on this part. Integrate, start from 0 until 1 for the function x over 2 respect to x. Plus the situation where we have to factor the 1 over 6. Integrate, start from 1 until m, where we have 4 minus x respect to x equals to 1 over 2. So x squared over 4, we have 1, 0. Plus, we have the situation 4 minus x bracket squared, and it becomes negative 1 over 12. So with the limit, we have m and 1, which is equals to 1 over 2. Continue. For the first part, where we have 1 over 4 minus 1 over 12 bracket, we have 4 minus m bracket squared minus, if we substitute 1, and we will have 9 equals to 1 over 2. So kindly rearrange the situation. So where we have 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2, and then we have negative 4 minus m bracket squared over 12. And then plus where we have 9 over 12, which is 3 over 4 equals to 0. Kindly simplify the situation. So we will have 1 over 2 minus 4 minus m bracket squared over 12 equals to 0. Rearrange the situation. So where we will have 4 minus m bracket squared, which is equals to 6. So 4 minus m equals to plus minus square root of 6. So in conclusion, we have the situation m, which is equals to 4 plus with the square root of 6. M equals to 4 minus square root of 6. So kindly refers to the number line. The location is in between 1 and 4. So my suggestion would be m, which is equals to 4 minus square root of 6. Because for the first part, m, 4 plus 6 is out of the range. So this one will be the valid situation for the median. M, which is equals to 4 minus square root of 6. So here we are, and thanks for watching.